There is a question almost nobody asks. What if the greatest blessing of your life doesn't feel like a blessing while you're living it? Not because it's hidden, but because you're too busy waiting for a different miracle. Human beings have a habit of deciding what mercy should look like. We expect open doors, clear answers, immediate relief. So when Allah gives us a season instead of a solution, we mistake His wisdom for silence, and that mistake changes everything. The world has trained you to believe that movement is progress. If you're busy, you're winning. If people need you, you're important. If your calendar is full, your life must have purpose. But stop for a moment. A compass only works when it becomes completely still, the slightest movement, and it cannot show you where north is. Maybe that's why your heart feels confused, not because Allah stopped guiding you, but because you've never stopped moving long enough to recognize His direction. Every house that is never cleaned begins to collect dust, not all at once. One quiet layer at a time. The human heart is no different. Distractions don't usually destroy faith overnight. They settle. One conversation, one habit, one excuse, one delay at a time, until one day a person can still smile, still work, still laugh, yet feel strangely empty inside, not because they lost Allah, but because they slowly lost awareness of Him. There is something remarkable about the Quran. It never rushes the human heart. It speaks, then waits. It reminds, then waits. It invites, then waits. Allah could have forced every soul toward guidance. Instead, He honored you with a choice. And perhaps that is why these quiet moments matter so much. Because there are invitations that never arrive with noise, only with stillness. Think about the people you admire, not because they're famous, because they carry peace, real peace. Look closely at their journey. Almost all of them share one chapter in common, a chapter nobody envied while they were living it. The lonely years, the uncertain years, the years that looked unproductive from the outside, yet transformed everything inside. People celebrate the destination. Allah often transforms us in the hidden chapters. One day, your phone will ring again. Your schedule will become full again. People will ask for your time again. Life will become loud again. And the silence you are trying so desperately to escape will become something you wish you still had. Because silence is expensive. It costs comfort. It costs ego. It costs distraction. But it gives something the world cannot sell: clarity. Maybe this chapter was never about losing people. Maybe it was about finding the person you became without them. Maybe the closed door wasn't the story. Maybe the room you were standing in had already become too small for the future Allah had written for you. Don't waste this season searching for constant noise. Search for sincerity. Open the Quran even when nobody reminds you. Raise your hands even when no words come out. Sit with Allah before you sit with the world. Because there are moments that quietly decide the direction of an entire life. And most people never realize they were standing inside one until it's already gone. Stop ignoring it. Because this moment, this invitation, this version of you won't come twice. Before you leave, I want to ask you one question. What is Allah teaching you in this season of your life? Write your answer in the comments. And if you believe this reminder can reach a heart that needs it today, share it.